how to write answers in law papers. Like we have company law in executive or advanced company law in professional. It may be old syllabus or new syllabus. This is one question many students have, and they tell that, sir, I understood everything but I did not know how to write the answer. So in this video I will be telling you how we can write the answers in law papers with the example of one question. As you know, we are having the workshop on May 4th in Bangalore and May 5th in Chennai. We have got an amazing response and the seats are full. But because of the amazing response, we have taken a little bigger room and now we have 9 seats available in Chennai and 16 seats available in Bangalore. If you are wondering what will happen in this workshop, we will precisely be discussing how to read the question paper and also how to write the answers. Let us take an example. So here I have the company law paper on CS Executive. We have a 3 marks question here. Any expenditure incurred for the benefit of the society will be considered as expenditure in pursuance of CSR policy. Comment with reference to provisions of the Companies Act 2013. This is a 3 marks question. What are they trying to ask? They're asking you to comment with the provisions of the Companies Act. For 3 marks, how do you write the question? See, you have studied section 135, you have studied what is CSR, you know the provisions, and you also know the schedule 7. But here they specifically asked, comment with reference to provisions of Companies Act. So they are saying that any expenditure for benefit of society is expenditure of corporate social responsibility. So what should we write? It is for 3 marks. So the first thing you should know is that what is the kind of expenditure you can do. You should write that we should have a committee, a CSR committee should be formed. Along with that, the expenditure should be specifically as per schedule number 7. Schedule 7 gives the list of the corporate social responsibility activities which the company can do. Furthermore, it also says that this list is indicative and not an exhaustive list. That means anything which is broader under the schedule 7 can be considered as CSR activity. And here they are saying that any expenditure for benefit of society. Can we say that any expenditure for benefit society is CSR? No. It should be primarily as per the activities, and also it should be in tune with section 135 along with companies which is having the net profit 5 crores and the other provisions which is there. So how do we write this and what are the things to be written is what is important, and that is exactly what I told you with just one question. Like this, we will be covering all the law subjects, whether it is executive or professional, how to read the question paper, how to write the answer. Apart from that, we will also be covering what is the ICSI expectation and also what is the mind of the examiner who is correcting the paper. If I will be telling you those secrets, you will be easily about to get 60 marks and above in any law subject of company secretary course. When it comes to exam, there are 2 things. One is understanding the concept and second, writing the exam. The problem is the students are not able to have a bridge between the 2. What is a bridge? A bridge is basically like a bridge over a river. It is connecting 2 sides. So this workshop will be connecting what you have understood and how you should write it in the exam. And there are many scientific techniques also which can be used, and the presentation pattern will be detailed and it will be discussed with many examples. In the workshop, I will also be giving you some questions and you will be writing the answers, and I will be discussing along with few examples of how you should write, how you should not write. And whenever I have done this, it is very effective, and students have told me that that has helped them to get very high marks in the next attempt. There is another common concern, and that is why I am adding that in the workshop, is students tell, I don't know how to manage 180 minutes. No matter which subject of CS you are writing, if you attend this workshop, you will be able to attempt 100 marks of the entire paper, and I can assure you that. I will be sharing all the different time management techniques, how you can write 100 marks in 180 minutes, no matter which subject of company secretary course it is. Next problem is that the CS syllabus is very big. How do I manage everything? There are some efficient techniques which you can follow. For example, mind map. You can see on your screen one of the mind map which we have made, where the entire chapter is covered in just one sheet. As you can see, the entire chapter is covered in one sheet which has all the concepts of that. Not only what is mind map, I will be teaching you how you can make a mind map and reduce the time of study and improve your efficiency. Like this, there are many more things. It will be a power-packed 5-hour session. In Bangalore, it is on May 4th between 9 AM to 2 PM, and in Chennai it is on May 5th, Sunday, 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. As I told you, we are very happy with the response and the seats are full for both Bangalore and Chennai, but because of the overwhelming response, we have taken a bigger premises and then we have 9 seats left in Chennai and 16 seats left in Bangalore. So register now by filling the Google sheet in the description of this video. And we will be seeing you in Bangalore on 4th and Chennai on 5th, and make sure you do very well in the exam. And also, if you are feeling that June exam is very close by, I have to waste one day on this workshop, let me tell you, it is just a 5-hour workshop and this 5 hours will make you do well in the exam. So don't think exam is close by and the seats are very limited. Please come and join me in the workshop 4th May in Bangalore and 5th May in Chennai.